Okay, this video is with the girls so that you can kind of get an idea who the girls are and see their faces a little better. And of the girls, Miss Pink collar is the biggest. White collar and purple and teal collar are the smallest. So Pink is the biggest from the girls. So when you look at your pictures that I sent you, the females again are pink, purple, teal, and white. White, I forgot to put her in the photo lineup, and so she got sent later separately. So that's her. Then we have our little boys. And if we were going to go in terms of size, the biggest is Blue. And I think he will continue to stay big. So look for him to be on the top end of 45 pounds. Green is next in line. And then the other puppies, it really is just kind of going to be in that midpoint. Yellow is pretty small but could grow, and then blue and red is on the smaller side. Come here, baby. Come on. And then black. Black is on the bigger side, not as big. Blue definitely. Come here, baby. Blue is the biggest. Okay, and then that is orange, and he's in the middle size. Oh my goodness, what's you talking about? What's you talking about? What's you telling me? Huh? And then yellow, and then blue, green, red, orange, and then blue and red. Of the boys, blue and red and yellow are the smallest. Once again.